don't do anything, just observe it.
Okay. Okay.
Here, delete from model is there, delete to
Mhm.
stock file is there.
Okay.
Actually, delete from model nothing but it will delete permanently from the database as well as from the drawing as well as database also.
Oh, okay. Okay.
If you put delete to stock file, click open the delete to stock file. Yes, here two options is there. There are one is plant, another one is drawing. So
Okay.
if you delete to stock file from plant, it will delete from the drawing and it is stored in the plant database.
Plant database. Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
it means it is not permanently deleted. Like it is
Okay.
storing in the recycle bin.
Okay.
So if you put delete to stock file to drawing,
Mm-hmm.
it means this will be deleted from the drawing and it is stored in the drawing stock file itself.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So this is also one kind of recycle bin only.
Recycle bin only. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normally we won't prefer this delete to stock file.
Normally, we don't
Why?
prefer
Because
delete to stockpile. Okay.
yeah, we don't prefer. See, why do you want to delete any symbol from the PND? Because it is not required there. By
Okay.
otherwise, by mistakenly you have placed there. So these kind
Okay.
of things will be there. That's why we will prefer delete from model only.
Delete from model only. Okay.
Otherwise, so much garbage will be stored in the database.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to get rid of a symbol permanently that you are sure that you are not going to use in this drawing, you have to use
Yes.
delete from model. But
Yes. Correct.
if we need that symbol somehow in another discipline, for example in
Yeah.
instrumentation or something like that, so in
Yeah.
that case what we have to do?
Yeah, suppose if you 100% confident that I never use this symbol, I don't want this one, you can delete from model. If you have
Okay.
some
Okay.
confusion in that one, see now initially you have some maybe I mean really you don't want to draft any PND, but
Yeah.
if you want draft but you don't know whether it is deleted or not. I mean if
Mm-hmm.
you want to keep for further, so just you
Okay.
can put delete to stock file in the drawing like that.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So once we click the delete from model,
Mm-hmm.
automatically it will from drawing as well as the database.
Okay.
So basically, those who are learning in beginner stage, they will
Mm-hmm.
prefer delete to stock file only.
Delete to stock file only. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
the actually we have some button is there for delete from model. We have to pick one button from the options. So always we won't you right click on this symbol and we want to delete because it will take some more time.
Mm-hmm.
So we will use one button that is nothing but custom command. I will show you now.
Okay.
Escape it. Escape this one. Uh, right click there on the top, not in
Here.
the drawing window. Yes, yes. Here, right click. Go to customize. Go to custom commands. Browse it.
Okay.
Yes. Here, go to PID x86 program files x86. Yes. Open it. Double click.
Double click, right? Oh,
Yeah. Now scroll down. Select smart plant. Yes. Double
double
click.
click.
Yeah. PNDAD workstation, bottom one.
PND workstation. Open.
Double click, double click. Yeah. Now bin folder. Now double click. Now you can put OK. You can OK.
Okay.
Now here we have to select del from model DEN. Just select here.
DE.
Yeah. These all are
Where?
DLL files. Yes.
Okay.
Select any DLL file. Anyone.
Ah, okay. 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 Anyone. Okay.
Now select D. DE. Type DE in
Select
the keyboard. DE.
DE. Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
Now scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. Wait. Del from model is there. No? That's one.
Delete from model.
Del
Yeah. Delete
from
from
model.
model DLL.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Just pick and place on the top.
Pick and place it on the top.
Yes.
I mean, like, or bring like
In
this.
yes, like that only. Like that only. Yes, correct. Just pick and place on the top. Yeah. Not top, not top, not I mean top means beside to this ribbon. On the header, you have
Ah.
seen a fit view pan. So yes. You can
Okay.
append.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
you
Like
can
this.
append the symbol to that one. Yes, you can append. See,
Oh, okay.
now
Okay.
it
Okay.
is now it is separated with the main ribbon. Just
Okay.
append it. Click and place in between. Then select again.
Like this.
No. Delete that one. That red
Okay.
is there, na? Red color.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Now again, pick it.
Again, select it.
Yes. Append to question mark. Question mark is there, na? Ending.
Ah,
Append there. Yes. Keep there.
here.
No.
Okay.
No. Question mark only.
Oh, and the
No.
question mark only. Okay.
Yes, in the question mark only. Yes. Now it is
Ah,
appended with the existing symbols.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Normally, why should we have to prefer this one? Na?
Mm-hmm.
So if you keep separately, sometimes automatically that button will be removed.
Okay.
So if you put like this permanently, it will be there.
Okay. Okay.
So now you can close this one, no problem.
Close
It's not
this one.
required.
Okay.
So every time if you don't want symbol,
Mm-hmm.
you can select it and you can delete from model. I mean, delete
Select.
from model nothing but, yes, that button.
Oh,
This
okay.
button is nothing but delete from model.
Okay. Okay.
And you have deleted. Wait.
Oh,
You
okay.
have deleted, and again if you want that symbol again, you
Mm-hmm.
can put Control Z, undo.
Control J. Okay.
Control
Okay.
Z.
Okay.
Uh, Actually, in this pain ready, it will allow up to 18 undos like that.
18
If you
undos.
keep,
Oh, okay.
yeah, if you keep more undos, it won't retrieve, and the
Okay.
drawing, the drawing will go into recreate mode.
Drawing will go into what?
Recreate. It means,
Recreate. Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah, drawing will be recreate, and it will fetch the from the database, and it will give you properly.
Okay. Okay. So now in order to delete it entirely, I will just have to click on this electric motor, right?
Yes.
Then if I do this
No,
delete,
no,
it
no.
will
See, if
ah.
you delete this one, it will delete only this motor label itself.
Oh, okay. 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 Oh, okay. So I have to just make sure
What you
on
want
this
delete?
one.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now, if you observe, na,
Ah.
thus motor label is highlighted. Wait, motor
Ah.
label is highlighted to motor. I mean that symbol, right? Graphical symbol.
Yes. Graphical symbol.
So
Yeah.
if you, yeah, so if you delete that mechanical component, I mean
Mm.
the symbol,
Mm-hmm.
whichever connected to that one, like nozzles and label, so those also will be deleted,
Okay. Okay.
because this is, I mean, those nozzles and this label is connected to that symbol.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now
So
delete it.
whatever it is not connected, if we have to delete it in its entirety, then like entirely clean that drawing.
I didn't get, come again.
I mean, like now, for example, shall I go ahead and just see the delete command?
Yes,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Okay. So this
See,
much is gone.
I observed.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I
Now
observed
just
it. So
undo.
what? Yeah.
Just
Okay.
undo it.
Yeah,
Yes.
I did.
Now ask your questions.
Okay. So now when I deleted it, as
Yeah.
you told, the nozzles, the labels, whatever is deleted with that mechanical component was deleted from the
Yeah.
drawing.
Yes,
Now,
correct.
if I want to delete all that stuff, that piping, valve, whatever is remaining in
Okay.
that, yeah.
You have to select whole thing. Just zoom
Okay.
out little bit. Zoom out little bit. No, no, no.
Uh,
See, after clicking that minus button, you have to click in the drawing. If you want
Oh,
zoom in,
okay, okay, okay. My bad,
that's
my
why
bad.
we will use mouse. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah.
See, every time you have to click like this. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay,
Wait.
okay,
No, it's enough. Enough. Now,
okay.
yes, escape it. Yeah. Now just select whole thing. Just select
Select
in
whole
the
thing,
drawing. Just
like
select.
this.
Yeah, like that.
Just select.
Yeah, like that only. Yeah, like that only.
Okay,
That's it. That's it.
okay, 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 okay. Fine,
Whole thing is
understood.
selected. You can delete from model. Whole thing. Delete
Okay.
it. It
Got
was
it.
gone.
Got it. Got it.
Now you can undo it. You can undo it. Yeah. Once you close the drawing, you
Mm-hmm.
cannot undo it.
Once I close the drawing, I cannot undo it. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay,
See,
okay.
you have closed the drawing and you have to open
Uh-huh.
the drawing. The undo won't work. And
Oh,
even
okay,
once you save it, the undo won't work.
okay. Got it.
So
Understood.
if you want, before undo itself, before saving itself, you have to undo.
Undo it. Then only close the drawing.
Yes.
Okay.
Normally, see, what you will do, delete this DCS function PAH.
Function or
Delete it.
this one, right?
Yeah, that one only.
Yeah, yeah.
Delete it. Now undo. So it is came right.
It came. Yeah.
Now what you will do, just delete it again.
Again. Okay.
PAH. Delete. Yes. Now save this one. Save the drawing.
Control S will work like that automatically.
Yeah, Control S will work. Yeah.
Okay.
Now the drawing was saved.
Yeah.
Now you cannot do undo. Now try it
Oh.
undo.
Okay. Yeah. It's
See,
not
it is
working.
not coming.
It is not
So
coming. Yeah.
if you, yeah, if you want do undo, you have to do it before saving the drawing itself. Once you
Okay.
save the
Okay.
drawing, you cannot undo it, undo or
Mm-hmm.
redo like
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Got it. Understood.
So by using Catalog Explorer, we can able to see all kind of symbols are available,
Mm-hmm.
and in
Mm-hmm.
the properties window, we can able to give all the properties in the properties window, and
Okay.
how many symbols are there in the drawing.
Mm-hmm.
This is nothing but drawing window.
Drawing
So
window. Okay.
yeah, in this drawing window, how many symbols are there? Those many symbols will be available in the, I mean, this list will be available in the engineering data editor.
Engineering data editor. Okay.
In the bottom window is there, na?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Browse it. No, yeah, there. If you see,
Oh.
these kind of
Uh-huh.
things are available. Suppose if you
Okay.
want to see only equipment in this drawing, just click
Mm-hmm.
on the equipment. Yes. So in your drawing, you have used only one equipment. That's why it
Mm.
is showing only one equipment. Like
Okay,
this,
okay, okay,
you can see. Suppose
okay.
select that equipment components. Yes,
Equipment component, right?
yes.
Nothing is coming.
Can you please click on the first one?
Which
It
one?
should come actually.